Ethereum, we are knocking on the $2,000 door. We are so happy today. You want to know everything about the crypto world, the last information? Yes, then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news fun on the right, crypto a tope. We are so happy we're going higher, just 7 days away for that Shanghai upgrade on Ethereum, and it is going to the $2,000 line, and hopefully we'll break it. We're waiting for April the 12th. That moment we'll have our hard fork, our upgrade, and now Ethereum is better than it's been in the past 7 months, which is a very, very good news. But be careful. Why? Because at that point, it was 15 August 2022, my birthday. Well, we had the top and we started going down. So all the worries, all the concerns right now is that maybe we are going to FOMO into the $2,000 range because of this upgrade for Ethereum, but then we will go down for good again. Maybe we have here a double top. Maybe we are going to create a cap and handle in the future. Be careful with the moving average of 100. You can see that we are almost very, very in a similar position right now. We were there when we started going down. So we'll see. Also, remember that with the last hard fork for Ethereum, with the merge that was September the 15th, 2022, we started going down for good again. Here you can see September the 15th, and we went down like 20, 26, 25%. It's something that might happen. Again, I'm not financial advice. This is not anything you need to consider to do your trades. But in the past, this is what happened. 4 days before the hard fork, we started going down, and we were going down for 6 more days after the merge, after the upgrade. So right now, we are 7 days away. So maybe still a little bit of more green arrow going up, but then 4 days before the merge, maybe we will start going down, and that will take us for a bottom on 17, 18 of April. That might be around 1,600, and that will coincide with the moving average right now of 100 in the daily. So this makes sense. It doesn't. What do you think about it? Just write a comment below. Thank you very much. And remember that we have past videos in the channel where I told you 3 reasons why people believe that Ethereum might go to $3,000 in the second quarter. Also, some analysts telling you why maybe we have a situation right now when all those tokens are unblocked from the smart contract in Ethereum 2.0. Is everybody going to sell or not? We told you everything in that video. Go and watch it and tell me in the comments below, what are you going to do? Are you going to sell or not? Are you going to speculate with this situation? Tell me all about it, and I will tell you more information. Like, for example, here, Kaleo telling us that if we compare Ethereum with Bitcoin, well, right now, Ethereum is winning, but he believes that it's not for a long period of time. Again, maybe 4 more days, and then we will follow this pattern he created with the pair Ethereum Bitcoin. The money is coming into the crypto sphere, but it's going to Bitcoin mostly, according to Kaleo. We'll see about that. Because on the other hand, Rich Rosenblum is telling us that maybe we are going to have an alt season like in the old good times. It's maybe too early right now to tell, but maybe so. Dogecoin, maybe it's going to make us a win in this war, maybe so. And also, he believes that the most important thing is that not just Ethereum is improving. Like, we have a lot of good projects right now in the sphere. The liquid staking governance tokens are going higher because of all these too. If we go to CoinGecko, you can see that Lido is the most important one, but then Rocket Pool is also going up. And no wonder, because Coinbase Ventures is investing in Rocket Pool. So it's funny that the regulators in United States are just giving some trouble to Coinbase in order to do their own stake, and they are investing in other companies and decentralized companies that can do that staking because they believe in it, and the US government and regulators might at some point in the future too. If you want to know everything about the staking, remember we have this video from our friends on Stakely, everything about the staking you need to know. And I'll tell you more things you need to know, like for example, that Uniswap is better than Coinbase now in trading volume, and it's just registered its best month since 2022. That's so great, but for me, it's even greater that PancakeSwap is not the one that has the most volume right now, but is the one that has the most users. According to ZZ, he told us that. He says that Uniswap is for volume, but PancakeSwap is for users. We are so happy. We told you in past video that PancakeSwap has its own V3 right now, not just in BNB chain, but also in Ethereum. I will tell you everything about that in a special video tomorrow. You have to take advantage of that. Maybe in the future, you will be happy because you listen to me tomorrow. Do not miss that out. PancakeSwap is on V3 right now. Link in the description if you want to join, because you can't wait till tomorrow's video. And if you want to just help the channel indirectly, use the link below. Thank you very, very much. We will do a tutorial tomorrow. The market is in the green. Dogecoin is red, but Ethereum, today's main character, is close to $2,000. Also, XRP, AVAX, some important coins today. And we can see this is the bubbles of the cryptosphere, and they are in the green today. Greedy is the market, of course. And what about Dogecoin? Well, we're still waiting for that rocket to go higher. Maybe so. We'll see. We had a 36% rise, which is okay, but everybody's waiting for more. Thank you, Jean-Baptiste. He sent me this image of just a Dogecoin. This is the Nike logo, but in the chart of Dogecoin. And be careful with this. David Gonstein telling us that you have to remember that Doge has started the last two bull runs. In his opinion, wasn't Litecoin, was Dogecoin. So maybe we are up for a new bull run. We need more Elon's tweets. Come on, Dogecoiners, asking for them. But he's focused right now on Donald Trump and this funny meme. Why do they travelers keep trying to kill me? I'm just a realtor, yes. But in the future, you'll become the president of United States. And that's why people with the time machine is trying to kill you. So funny, but so funny too that Donald Trump's NFTs raised 424% after his arrest in New York. Crazy times. Now NFTs selling crazy good in March, a little less than the last month, and Blur is like the most important market right now for NFTs. Better than OpenSea right now. Bitcoin is going higher. We're happy that we broke that $28,000 again, and we are heading to 29. So come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Here, Pladisu telling us that you have to be calm, because 77% of the time, the first quarter for Bitcoin predicted the year. And also, the 3 negative quarters that failed to predict the year is still ended up as positive years. So what about this time? Well, if it's all the times, then we might have a good year for Bitcoin too. Just watch all I told you about here in this video, what's going to happen with price predictions. Kevin Svensson told us about this parabolic rise for Bitcoin, and maybe we keep on track. That would be awesome. Now we have to be a little bit flat, and then we'll have the next just arrow green to the top of the next step. But Matthew Highline telling us it's okay. Everybody's going to troll. Even if we are in $90,000, they will tell us that we are going to 10,000. And maybe so, because of the gap, remember, 9,600. We'll see about that in the future. But I love to see this to come true. This will be Bitcoin going to $90,000, and we have this line with past all-time highs for Bitcoin. That would be crazy good for our investments. And maybe it's not too crazy, because now Jesse Myers, that has a lot of money, he knows about it. He says that Bitcoin is going to be worth 10 millions per just one Bitcoin, which is crazy. We need dollar to break as it's breaking right now and go down for good if we want that scenario. He's talking about financial crisis all over the world and hyper-Bitcoinization, of course. The stock market going high in Asia, but yesterday was a bad day in United States. Oh, this is yesterday, so I guess it's closed today. No clue. And we have more crazy news from the U.S. government. The Fed cites like $112 million linked to allegedly crypto scams. So we can see, we told you in past videos, that they are selling Bitcoin that they seize. So they take it and they sell it, and they are the ones that manipulate the market for good. No doubt about it, in my opinion, but I'm just a YouTuber, so don't listen to me. April for Bitcoin following the path of 2020 and 2021, maybe also 2019. So we are not going down like in 2015, which is so good. You have more of that prediction in the video I told you about. And Binance Coin that wants to go back to the line that never should have left. So we'll see about that. Arbitrum going up. Also, Litecoin going close to the $100 line. And we have good news for Aave is developing on VNB chain, Starknet, and Polygon ZK EVM. Also good news for Polkadot. Now it has a trademark for a communications platform on blockchain. That would be so cool. Bad things is that Paxful finally closed. The peer-to-peer exchange had to cause off due to US regulators, allegedly. And also very bad piece of information. One of the creators, Bob Lee of Cash App, died in San Francisco. They stabbed him to death. We don't know more about it. In the DeFi ecosystem, we're happy that we are above $50 billion, and people happy from Albright because they are having their money back. Also, if you had trouble with Gala Games, you're going to have allegedly your money back. Now, news from MetaMask. They are now allowing you to watch your NFTs directly in the platform, and I recommend myself to watch it and move an NFT or something like that, just in case in the future we have an airdrop from MetaMask. Remember, we told you about this. If you type MetaMask in our channel, you will be able of finding these videos. We told you about that possible airdrop in so many of them. And also we told you how to be safe with a Ledger Nano S Plus X or stacks for that matters. And maybe be like Snoop Dogg wearing one as I'm doing right now. You're going to be so jealous because I have my Ledger here in my heart, just like Snoop Dogg. Even though it's not a gold one, maybe our friends from Ledger will send me one. That would be so cool. If you want to buy one of these, you can go to a Ledger website. You have the link in the description. And if you use that link, you help the channel. Thank you very much. And now, talking about safety, be careful with the cat. It might steal your stuff like this cat is doing. But there's a camera. He knows about it. And he's so smart that he's going to climb there and destroy the camera and the evidence we had about the stealing. Be careful and do not overthink everything like this cat is doing, just chasing his own tail. Be careful with that and maybe have some rest. from all this crazy crypto world from time to time. Maybe a beauty app? Why not? We don't have more time today, but we are researching already, and we will tell you everything about the crypto world, of course, here in Crypto News, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!